guys, welcome back to another video. We're up at Ploughing 24 and it's foggy because we're up at 8:15. We woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning, so we're up here nice and early in the fog. So the first stop we're going to is Grassman and O'Neill's tent. And I'm going to be doing like 4 parts. And there's the sliotar place there.
What's this place?
The sliotar's there. Grip socks and Harleys and all that, those stuff there. There's an ice cream van. There's Gaelic footballs and all in there.
Then we have to look in that tent, Anyway, fine.
So Millie bought a sliotar in that tent there, an emoji sliotar, for practicing her camogie.
Yeah. Look, see him go around with my
There's a poster placed in there. There's a jersey tent here.
What do you mean the poster?
Let's go to that van. So in here there's a hat tent. So there's John Deere book hats, Massey Ferguson book hats, New Holland book hats and all of them. There's loads of license plates here. In my opinion, my favourite one is Hit the Diff there. Then there's more up there. There's all the sliotars there and stuff.
And your son?
And then there's all the grip socks and jerseys and stuff.
Do you want to buy?
So there's all other license plates, they're kind of the same, but there's a few other ones. And in here is loads of hats and jumpers.
See, it says road.
And there's loads of jerseys in here.
Thank you.
So we're just going to that J shop. So there's rip socks in there. There's the beer tent there, and there's some crepes. So in here is all the food. There's the all the food here. Over there is the beer tent, and then there's signs for O'Neill's there. So we'll be going there later. And there's the TJ Larkin's Harleys. And over there's the O'Neill's tent. So we're gonna get some jerseys. And we're gonna go to Grassman. And I'm gonna show you all their tractors. And I saw on YouTube that Eve and Flo on YouTube, his MB track is somewhere here. And I'd like to go here. And we're gonna be seeing Farmer Phil in probably the next video. There's another car there. But we're up here nice and early, as I said earlier, so there's still a bit of a fog. But then there's going to be like 4 videos, but then there might be there's going to be a few looking at machinery and stuff. So we're going to the O'Neill's tent now. See all the jerseys and stuff. There's the O'Neill's bags there. So we're just going in around this railing to the O'Neill's tent. There's all the jerseys on the wall there. There's all the jerseys there. There's a robot lawnmower going there. There's Lidl there. So in there's Toyota, and in Toyota's the new Land Cruiser.
Got them out as a hand soap top. He thought they were sweets, and he gave me and James brown one. And we coughing up our lungs here after eating soap. So he had no idea.
So we're gonna go in now and see the new Land Cruiser and all the Toyota cars.
See that in a Merc 224 paper. I seen it on Instagram.
So this here is the new Land Cruiser. It looks more like a Defender than a Land Cruiser. And there's the back of it there, looking more like a Land Cruiser. Yeah, there's the new Land Cruiser inside.
It's kind of just
All the
boxy
people
like the
coming back
Defender.
side. I was saying that to the eyes of Discovery, which is just square. You know what I mean?
So in there is agri-tools. And as you may know from watching Even Flow, he brought his MB track up here. I'm personally a big Even Flow fan. So I just love to go over and show you Even Flow's MB track. There's Red Rock, I'll have a look there after. Some tyres here. There's Nugent cattle boxes like ours. So there's Even Flow's MB track. Big Even Flow sticker there. Probably if you saw the latest one, you know that they're here. Ploughing.
What the fuck happened in here?
So here's a case 165 Puma. And there's John Deere 7710.
Go on.
So here are the Red Rock silage grabs. And here is a Red Rock tub feeder. And then there's a big massive Red Rock fork for the silage. And then here's well, a bit closer, a Red Rock low loader with a Red Rock dump trailer. And then here's another Red Rock feeder. And then there's another Red Rock feeder. There are loads of feeders up here. So you saw there's more grabs there. And then here's a slurry mixer, another mixer. There's a massive double axle tanker and a single axle tanker. And then that's all. Oh yeah, one more thing to show you over in Red Rock. There's a Red Rock picture now, a yard sweeper. So there's a K2 muck spreader, and then you have another muck spreader, but it opens up a bit differently. And there's some slurry piping here. And there's loads of diggers here. So when there's more slurry here. And then there's some Sun War, never heard of them. They have loads of mini diggers and stuff. There's some stuff there. And then there's some more stuff there. So in here, as you may know, there's Farmer Phil's Massey Ferguson 1200 tractor that he did up this year. and he only finished it this year. It's a nice tractor. Here is a NC engineer. So they have a dribble bar and a tanker there. And then there's yeah, it's a road sweeper thing. Our muck spreader, mixers, grabs, dump trailers, spreaders, low loaders and all that. There's a massive trailer there. I don't know what the hell this is, but it's some sort of road majiggy. There's loads of things there. So in here is AIB, and then there's I for Williams trailers there. So they have the sheep boxes, cattle boxes, car trailers and horse boxes up there. So there's horse boxes there. And then there's some more stuff that I don't know what they are, like bale wrappers. And then there's rakes and stuff. There's rakes and stuff there. And then up there is a drone. There's Bailey trailers there. And there's more Bailey stuff there. Here is a box thing. There's a bale hander. And there's a Bailey trailer converted into a cattle box. So in here is the cattle trailer. Box here. So this cattle box here, you can take that off, and then it could be a bale trailer.
Daddy, could you
And then there's a Marshall muck spreader. And some stuff there. The drone's got really high up now. So in here is some more stuff. There's some harrows. And then there's Michaela over there. And there's little Izeski tractors and lawnmowers. And like garden compact tractors. And they're so looking there. So in here is a Caverland mower. There's loads of Caverland stuff. And then here's a tub feeder in the square. There's a T-Furrow plough here for all those like smaller farms. I don't think I'm getting the video from the kid. So there's Michael on our screen there. And there's New Holland. There's a cross tanker with a dribble bar there. And then there's a cross muck spreader. So these blade thingamajigs spin, and then the floor moves, so it throws out the dung and flings it around the place. It's called a cross sinker spread 1400. So here's a cross roller, and I have absolutely no clue what that thingamajig is, and that. And look, the big balloon in the sky. Then there's a harrow and kind of spreader for seeding clover and that stuff there. So I found out what this thingamajig is. It's a beet washer. So in there for a cross. So in here is bobcat. So there's all the skid steers and stuff like that. So in here is a Michael mower. Yeah? single McHale more. And then this is a massive, looks like probably 10 row per tedder. And there's a straw grower, another thing. And then there's a big screen there. And it's showing like balers and stuff. That's so back and back. And there's a baler there. And here's a tedder. There's another lower. And then there's a McHale FI baler. And there's a wrapper and a Fusion 4, I think, over there. And there's all the baler. So I'm after buying, we went to McHale and we bought a McHale hat for €5. So this is my new hat. Did you pause it? Oh.
Another day of work.
Oh. So this is my new McHale hat. Do you know that was paused?
Where are they?
So I'm after buying this McHale hat, my first purchase of the day. So in there's a bunch of weighing systems and crosses. There's some loaders there. It's a nice loader there. I don't know what the hell this is, but there's a pool in the water coming down. It's a bit of an illusion. I don't know what's in there, but... So there's a robot feeder there. There's some bikini in there. So here is spiral feed. Our silo is a spiral feed too. So I don't know where we are, but we're just walking somewhere. There's some foods and stuff there. I'll get something from there. Oh, I got 4 bricks there. Some stuff there. There's some stuff there. That's a nice shed there. So that bird thing there is for keeping the crows away from your silage. So we're in the eating area again. There's the beer tent. We're back up here. And we're trying to find the toilets. There's a small but big square there. There's Cheetah electric fencing. So I just had this cookie brownie thing, I'm just throwing a wrapper in the bin. There's JFK Agri Solar Feeder. I never heard of the name, but there's the stand. So here's the map. So we're at Easy Fix here. There are loads of slats and stuff. Isn't it amazing what they can create out of acrylic and stuff? A fake bull. Now this is a mint tractor. I know I'm a John Deere man, but I like vintage Massey's. Look at that. It's a milking machine. There are more tub feeders in there.
You're alright.
So in here is a bunch of gates and feeders and stuff. Do you know the one of those yolks? There's an ice cream van there. So we're on our way down to the Farm Flicks tent. I've never seen a long wheelbase ice cream van in my life. We are getting closer to the Farm Flicks tent. So here's Grassman, and there's the trailer. And here is Grassman, and then Farm Flicks is 7, 8, 10 there. And we're gonna head into the tent. And we are just leaving Farm Flicks.
And the PTO itself runs independently and maintain and keep its service.
So here is Coca-Cola. They're selling Coca-Cola, obviously. And look, the massive Coca-Cola can they have. There's a nice Valtra tractor at this stand. So here in like the Garda's place, there's a Garda Valtra. So there's the Irish Coast Guard there. The sun is coming out now. And then there's a rock climbing wall thing there. So over here is Valvo loaders. And then there's another Valvo loader there. So we're trying to find Grassman at the moment. Some seaweed skincare that thing there. So I will be doing a ploughing part 2 video. Bye for now.